Okay guys, and welcome to this particular video. So I'm going to be making this video very short. Let's quickly talk about the TGE date for the IdOS airdrop. Right, so we have been following this airdrop back to back for a couple of time now, and I guess the whole thing is beginning to make a lot of sense since they have actually started talking about their their TGE. They have even given the date. On this video I'm going to be showing you the date. Okay, so a couple of days ago, around the 28th of November, their public sale actually ended, and it ended very well. It was a very big success. So but all those things are not what we're going to be talking about on this video. We are only going to be talking about the latest update concerning this IdOS airdrop as regards the airdrop for the community. No guys, I only focus on the airdrop part. That is the most important part for us who are actually hunting for airdrop. All right, so coming over here to the IdOS dashboard, this is exactly how it looks if you have been on it. And if you haven't started, you have a little time window. They are still onboarding people, so you can give it a try. I'll be leaving the link on the video description box. You don't need to do everything. You don't need to do anything stressful right here. If you just want to be getting started, the link is going to be right there on the video description box, and what you need to do is simply come over here and check in every single day. All right, so when you click on check in right now, then I'm going to be clicking on check in right now, and every day you check in, you earn 1 point, and that is just the tip of the iceberg, as we have a lot of other tasks still available right here. You can see you have other tasks that you can actually complete right here, like getting to follow the X accounts that you have been given, and each task you actually complete earn you a certain amount of points right here. For example, you can see over here daily check-in earn you 1 point. If you claim this NFT, you get 20 points. If you add SRP wallet, you get 20 points. There are lots of other tasks available right here, but I've taken my time to complete those ones that I've been able to, that I can be able to complete. And over here we have this one called claim your POP NFT on Radic. So I've actually been trying to complete that particular task for a lot of time, but I keep on getting this error message. So if you have actually passed this level, let me know right there in the comment section, so that maybe you can give me some idea, then I will pass that level also. So right now, like I told you guys, we are going to be finding out the TGE date for the IdOS airdrop. Before we start to talk about that, guys, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, on this channel we talk about crypto airdrop and a lot of other crypto stuff that's going to be ending with a lot of profit for you. So if you want to be part of the community and you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, simply click on this subscription button down below to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click on the bell icon that will be appearing and select all, so that whenever I post new video, YouTube will send it to you immediately. Also go ahead to give this video a thumbs up, then make sure you share the video, drop an interesting comment right there on the comment section. We also reward people who do what I just said right now with Tonecoin. We announce winners over there on Telegram. If you have been around for a while right now, you should have known much about that. So let's talk about the TGE date for the for the IdOS airdrop. So when you come over here to community sale right here, you can see that the sale has actually ended, and personally I didn't participate on the public sale because I've been on this airdrop for a while and I've learned my lesson, so I don't want to be risking anything for any reason. So time for that is actually coming in the future. So for us to quickly identify the listing date, or sorry, the TGE date, you all know that the TGE date is different from the the actual listing date. So this is actually the date for the distribution of the token, TDE or TGE. I guess they mean the same thing, but let me read out what they said right here. The IdOS community sale has concluded. The fade mechanism has kicked in for the price discovery. All your committed contribution has been confirmed. Your confirmed IdOS allocation will be distributed to your wallet upon TDE. All right, so I think TDE means token distribution event. So over here they say that it's expected to be on the fourth quarter of 2025, and as you all may have known, we are currently on the fourth quarter of 2025, the last one at that. This is December 13th of December 2025. So we're expecting the list the TDE or TGE to take place this month of December, and probably shortly after that or immediately after that, you can be able to trade your own token and of course make your profit out of that. So this is the update that we have right now as regards the IdOS airdrop. So if you want to be joining, the link is going to be right there on the video description box. So if you have been around on this airdrop for a while, if you have been accumulating points, then keep your fingers crossed as we are now waiting for the date of the TGE, which is going to be given just a few days from now. They also even confirmed it right here on their X account that the date is going to be given, the date for the TGE or TDE is going to be given in a few days. So over here, they said over here, that is 2 days ago, 11th of December, they said, we know many of you are eagerly waiting for an update on the token network launch and ongoing campaign. Launching the token and network is the team's top priority. Okay, today they said right here, launching, I'll read that again, sorry, I got confused. So they said launching the token and network is the team's top priority today, and we will share an update in the next few days. Thanks for your patience. So they say that they have their minds on that, and that they're going to be giving you updates as regards the distribution of the token in the next few days. So it won't be up to a week. We are going to be having the actual date for the token distribution. All right, so this is all you need to know right now as regards the IdOS airdrop. So let me know how many points you have got right there on the comment section. Let me know if you have been part of this airdrop. Let me know what your thoughts about this particular project that we are currently on. All right, so thank you for watching the video, and I'm going to be talking to you on the next update that's going to be dropping very soon.